Hello everyone. So unless it's just not convenient, I will pass up a grocery store pre-cooked bird all the time to make my own. So this is about a 4.5 pound bird. I sprinkled it with garlic salt generously and some seasoned salt right there. Sorry for the out of focus camera. And I get the prep work done before we head outside. So I typically use one of these chimney stack charcoal starters right here and fill it to the brim with charcoal. And then I use one of these Weber lighter cubes here to get it going, and it really does the job well. You don't have to use a lighter cube. You can use paper and just use a lighter and get the bottom going. So after you fire up that lighter cube right there, the charcoal will start to smoke quite a bit, and it's going to take about 15 to 20 minutes until that charcoal is ready. And what that charcoal will do is it'll turn a light gray / white color, and it will shrink down, but that's when you know it is ready to go. So did you get that right there? So let me back this up. So what you do is you take that charcoal out, and what I'm doing right here, other than burning my hand, is taking that charcoal and I am placing it to one side of this kettle grill. Place it to one side as much as you can. I'm just using some tongs right here, getting it all to the right side of the grill and getting that all prepped. And what I'm trying to show you here is that the bottom grill, there's a grill opening, there's a grill vent. That grill vent is completely open at the bottom, and I put the grill on top and just get it prepped. So with the grill being nice and thoroughly clean, we take our seasoned chicken from earlier and we just put that on the grill. I'm putting this opposite of where the charcoal is at, so this is what you call indirect cooking. So charcoal is on the right side, the chicken is going to go on the left side with the vents completely open for the top of this grill. The other thing, I don't know if you've picked up on it, but I also cook the chicken breast side down to have the moistest chicken breast possible. I've just found that cooking breast side down really does give you some really moist chicken. Set the timer for an hour and a half and pretty much just impatiently wait. And by the time you are done waiting, you open it up and voila, you've got a beautiful rotisserie chicken that you pretty much just sat it and forgot it, and it is ready to go. And I check for doneness by pulling on that chicken leg. As long as that chicken leg can easily detach from the body, you know it is perfectly cooked, and this is scrumptious. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Again, thank you very much.